at CSIR, we went into wind engineering laboratory. We saw many models, wind engineering models. They explained how to use wind engineering to convert it to power effectively. They explained various methodologies and models. Then we visited this laboratory where they explained about various polyethylene material. They explained about the sturdity of components and explained how they test their flexibility. Then we visited various meteorological departments where they explained about precast bricks and how effective they are in constructing large buildings and stuff. And it was very effective and very informative place for us. Thank you.
Good afternoon, myself Vishwanathan, coming from Namakkal district, Vivekananda College of Technology for Women. We had visited a lot of lab here. Very first we visited our electrochemical lab. There faculty members and research scholars has explained very well and in an interesting manner. And later we visited all our civil lab, including structural, fatigue and testing, seismic lab and all. There also we are excited to see that new projects which are all under process and as well as submitted and as well as in execution. It is very useful and very informative to us. And one more thing, as a final, we had visited our environment lab, NEERI. Their professor and faculty members has explained in a very good and very informative manner, right? Thank you.
So came to here in the morning and we have visited fuel labs and battery labs and some more. I have seen the technology here, the more technology and more known about the batteries, fuel cells, and these type of exhibitions are much needed nowadays, because we will get more experience of knowing what is there more inside the what we are just in briefly. It's in-depth explanation, and we know how they are constructing the battery, how they are manufacturing, what types of batteries are there, and how the batteries are working, what are the advantages of lithium-ion batteries. And coming to fuel cells, there are electrochemical fuel cells and electrolytic fuel cells. So from this we learned a lot which we may not know few more minutes back. So I thank you CSIR to make this exhibition. I am from Narayana Engineering College, Nellore.
I am Dr. Chitralekha, Senior Scientist from Virginia Tech India. We are part of Virginia Tech US. So today we have visited the facilities here because of the open day. We are able to visit all the labs here, especially CSIR's lab where we could see all the facilities, at least the demonstration. What we can see here at Chennai is a very nice thing, and I could see a lot of students coming here and getting information about this. And in NML it's difficult for us to travel to Jamshedpur to visit NML and know much about the work happening there. Today I could find that they are developing what this gas atomizer which could be able to produce a lot of metal nanoparticles and metal for additive manufacturing. I think that kind of technologies should be transferred to the industries. So I am also planning to do some technology transfer with NML, and this open day was a channel for reaching NML. Thank you CSIR for this day.
Thank you. Good afternoon. This is Dr. Shafir from Crescent Institute of Science and Technology, and these are the MTech students with us. And we have visiting here for last 3-4 years. And we have visited many labs inside Advanced Materials Laboratory, A-Star Laboratory, and CERI, NEERI laboratories. And these laboratories gave us some inside knowledge about the current ongoing research, and we have some ideas about the upcoming research for the MTech students and everybody here. And they were very interested to come here, and they were also given instructions related to project associate and other provisions here, and we are looking forward to that. Thank you.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Jessica. I'm first year MTech student from B.S. Abdul Rahman Institute of Science and Technology, and I visited here before during my undergrad times, but I didn't really understand much. Since we have gotten into our PG and our specialization, I was able to capture and like understand better after visiting the laboratories once again. I came across the advanced concrete lab where we were like shown different tests like NDT tests. We were taught rebound hammer test and ultrasonic pulse velocity test. Although we learned it theoretically, we were able to see it, how they perform it in the laboratories. It was very informative. We also came across various advanced and alternative reinforcements from the same laboratory, sir.
It's okay, then. My name is Wakas. I'm pursuing my MTech from BS Abdur Rahman Crescent University. Uh, I'm currently in the first year in MTech structural engineering. It was very nice to be here, and when we see the different types of machines there conducting tests on the concrete, and it was really nice. It was the first visit here, so looking forward to come here again with all of my friends. Thank you.
குட் ஆஃப்டர்நூன். ஜாலியாக என்ஜாய் பண்ணோம் ஃபஸ்ட்டு காலேஜ்லேருந்து வந்துட்டு நிறையா சயின்டிஃபிக்கலாக நிறையா இன்புட் கிடைச்சது. ஸோ இந்த இன்ஸ்டியூஷனுக்கு ரொம்ப நன்றி சொல்கிறோம். நாங்கள் டான் பாஸ்கோ இன்ஸ்டியூஷன்லேருந்து வந்திருக்கிறோம். தேங்க்யூ ஸோ மச். இது எங்களுடைய லைஃபுக்கு ஒரு நல்ல ஒரு எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸாக இருந்துச்சு. நாங்களும் நெக்ஸ்ட் டைம் ட்ரை பண்ணுவோம் நாங்களும். தேங்க்யூ ஸோ மச்.
We are Prasad and Rajkumar from KCG College of Technology. So we visited today. So it was a wonderful experience for us and for our students. Actually, nearly 120 students have participated today. So it was a wonderful experience for us. So we visited many labs like earthquake lab and
concrete lab, and we have visited the huge wind tunnels. Students exposed to the wind tunnels. So it was a good experience for us, faculty as well as our students. Thank you for giving us this opportunity for a CSIR lab. Thank you.
thank you. Thank you.
நாங்கள் டாக்டர் தர்மம்பா கவர்மெண்ட் பாலிடெக்னிக் காலேஜ்லேருந்து வரோம். எங்களோட ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் சிவில் டிபார்ட்மெண்ட், இசி டிபார்ட்மெண்ட், ஐசி டிபார்ட்மெண்ட் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் இருக்கிறாங்க. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இயர் படிக்கிறாங்க. இங்கே சிஎஸ்ஆர் ஓப்பன் டே எங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருந்துச்சு. இங்கே நிறைய ஸ்ட்ரக்சரல் இன்ஜினியரிங்கில் பேசிக்காக நாங்கள் பார்க்கும்போது நிறைய இன்ஃபர்மேஷன்ஸ் கேதர் பண்ணோம். அதில் பில்டிங்கோட ஸ்டெபிலிட்டி ப்ளஸ் அதனுடைய எஃபெக்ட் எப்படி இருக்குது, எந்த அளவுக்கு அந்த லோடு ஃபோர்ஸ் அதெல்லாம் பிரிட்ஜ் வைஸ் அவங்க சொன்னது ரொம்ப நல்லா இருந்தது. நிறைய ஒரு ஃபயர் கன் எஸ்பெஷலி நாங்கள் சொல்லும் போகும்போது அந்த ஃபயர் கன்னோட இது அதனுடைய ஃபோர்ஸ் எவ்வளோ இருந்தாலும் ஒரு கேபினில் அஃபெக்ட் ஆகாமல் இருக்கிறதுக்கு என்ன மாதிரி அப்படிங்கிறத அவங்க கிளியராக எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணாங்க. அது ரொம்ப நல்லா இருந்தது. மோரோவர் எங்களோட ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்க்கு இது ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல். இந்த ப்ராஜெக்ட் இந்த மாதிரி ப்ராஜெக்ட்ஸ் எங்களோட டிப்ளமோ லெவல்லையும் நீங்கள் கொஞ்சம் கைட் பண்ணிங்கன்னா இன்னும் பெட்டராக இருக்கும். ஸோ தட் யங்ஸ்டர்ஸும் இதில் ஜாயின் பண்ணி நல்ல ஒரு ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டிஸை அவங்களால எடுக்க முடியும். ஸோ தேங்க்யூ ஃபார் இந்த ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டிஸ் கொடுத்ததுக்கு. தேங்க்யூ சார்.
Hello, my name is Rahul. I'm from school PM Vidyalaya DGK. Today we came to the CSIR Foundation Day where it was an open day and we visited a lot of lab. We got to know about a lot of type of cells like battery cell nor fuel cell, and we also got to know about how people check about the buildings deterioration and all. And we also got to know about electrochemistry. We explored a lot of labs. It was very nice. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Well, I'm Ms. Loguchrani from KVDGQA. We came here today for the opening day of CSRI and we learned a lot about science things which were far beyond our understanding and also was very interesting to learn them from the early itself like 12th grade. And it was very interesting to learn and do so. And we all enjoyed it and thank you for the opportunity. Particular things. Like some of my friends weren't able to understand because they were standing like very big and that was the only thing I think.
Place of interest, laboratory of interest.
Laboratories were interesting. For example, in particular lab, FFL lab was interesting. And thank you. And about that, for global warming, there they were telling about many things, and then about the ozone layer machine, and they were telling it was really interesting. Thank you.
Thank you.